to our channel all about guns. In this video we'll show you how to deassemble a Browning 1922.32 pistol. To start with, let's first check the pistol is empty, the magazine is empty, and now we need to check the chamber. The chamber is empty. Now let's start with the deassembly. First we need to remove the barrel extension. You need to press the extension latch and the extension is out. Now we need to move the slide backwards and move the barrel clockwise. Lock the safety lock. Move the barrel. Then remove the safety lock and you can slide the slide out. Now pull out the barrel. Take out the recoil spring. Next we need to remove the firing pin assembly. This is the firing pin assembly. Firing pin, the spring. Now we need to remove the grips. There are only two screws, one on each side of the grip. Remove this grips. Now we need to remove the latch. Now we need to remove the safety catch. To remove the safety catch, you just need to move it upwards and then pull it out. Next, take a long pin and we can remove the grip safety hinge pin. Pull it out with the pliers and first remove the magazine latch or the grip safety. Grip safety is out. Now you can remove the magazine latch. The shear spring. Now we need to remove the shear pin. Push it with the long pin and the shear pin is out, and you can take out the shear pin, shear and the trigger bar. This is the remaining receiver. So friends, you saw how you can deassemble a Browning 1922.32 pistol. Keep watching our channel for more such videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel all about guns. Thank you.